This is how to take the door handle, the outer door handle off of a 2004 to 2013 Volvo XC90. You need to remove this cover off. You have to pry it off, it's already loose. Put it in a safe place. Get the door panel off, which I already got it off. Get this cover right here off. And then you're gonna have to hold the camera somewhere in there where you can see. You have to put something to pry this right here. Pull the door handle halfway out and pull the latch out, and then you can come back around and pull the door handle off. Have to wobble it and pull it out. Put it back on, stick it in there, stick all the way in, careful right there. Come back around, hold the camera again, then you push this pin in halfway, pull it out, push it in, let go. The reason that you had to pull the handle out halfway is because it got locked. So there it goes. Hope it helps. Like and share. Subscribe. Thank you.